Hi guys, it's me Sakib Hashmi. Welcome to your second PHP tutorial of Be Champions Education. And in this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to write your first PHP file. To do that, you need to first open your XM folder. So mine is XM1, normally is XM. So it is in the C directory and XM. Once you are in the XM folder, you need to run your local web server, which is xmcontrol.exe. This one, if you can double click that. As you can see, Apache and MySQL are auto started. Since in my last tutorial, if you remember, we went to the config and we clicked on auto start. They both are auto started. So now your local web server is running. And each time to test your PHP code, we need to run this local web server XM control panel. The reason being is the PHP is a server-side scripting language. So without this, it won't work. Or you can test your website in web hosting, like I explained you earlier in my first tutorial. But we are using our home machine, and we have downloaded this XM uh, local web server for testing purpose. So you can also do that if you want. So we can minimize that, or we can close this, but it will still be running. So it's still running here. Okay. Now what you need to do, you need to go to this directory, hit docs, htdocs or hit docs, whatever you want to call this. So we will double click this. This is the root directory where we will save our PHP files. To organize our folder well, we can create another folder here, and we'll call this first, because it's our first application. So we double click the first, and here we can create the PHP file. So we right click and click new, and we select text document. Okay, and we will not use .txt, we will use .php. So we will rename the whole file including the extension. So and we will name this index.php, and we click yes to change it, and as you can see, it becomes a PHP file, type of PHP, because we replaced .txt to PHP. Okay, to edit this index.php file, we need to right click on this, edit with Notepad++. Okay, for all PHP applications, you need to write the opening tag and closing tag of PHP. So the opening tag of PHP is like this, and this is the closing tag, and in between we can type our PHP code. So here we will just do a simple application which will just print out hello world on the web browser. So we will use echo quotation mark hello world quotation mark, and we put semicolon to end our statement, and we have to save this file. So now it's saved. The reason we use index is because index get loaded automatically when we go to this directory first through our web browser. And so now we need to go to our web browser. I'm using Google Chrome Canary browser. You can use any browser you like. Okay, so here we need to type localhost and slash and the folder name where we saved our file, and we click we press enter. Okay, And as you can see, index.php get loaded automatically when we go to its folder. So hello world, as you can see, is working. This simple application is working, and it is same as doing this index.php. It is the same result. Okay, but if we are to use another file name for this PHP, so if we use file.php, then we have to type the whole URL like this. We can't just go on the directory, because it will load the index file, index.php file. Okay, so this is the reason why we use index.php to, so makes it easier. You don't need to write the whole URL. You can just go to the directory where you save the file and it get loaded. Okay, so this is your uh, second PHP tutorial, how to create a PHP file. And I just want to tell you guys that all my tutorial will be fast track, so you will learn everything quickly. I will try to teach you guys as many things about programming, web development, and technologies quickly, and I will not go into very fine detail, because this tutorial series PHP tutorial is for the beginners, and gradually I will make more videos for intermediate and advanced level, but for now um, um, I'm focusing on this beginner series, and you can uh, watch this if you want to learn PHP quickly, and it's the fast way of learning. Okay, thank you very much for watching my video tutorial, and if you like my video tutorial, you can click the like button, and you can also subscribe to my channel. That way you will get updated videos of whichever I upload for the tutorials. So thank you very much, and keep watching. Thank you.